Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are very fine. You are listening the lessons very interesting, very carefully, no? Yes, children. Yes. Have you finished your breakfast? What did you eat in the breakfast? What did you eat in the breakfast? Idli, dosa, chapati, or puri. Different types of food items we eat in the breakfast. Some people eat rice, lemon rice, okay, and puri, chapati, pulka, idli, dosa, upma, like that. Do you know, children, how do we prepare all these? How do we prepare all these? By using cereals and pulses. Do you know how do we get from where do we get cereals and nuts and pulses? You don't know. I will tell you. Okay. Do you like to eat fruits? Yes. Which fruits do you like most? Mango, apple, guava and banana. Do you like to eat vegetables? Yes. Which vegetables do you like most? Mainly carrot and potato fry, potatoes and lady's finger. Okay, children all likes to eat potato fry and lady's finger. Yes, and dal, isn't it? Do you know how do we prepare all these? Yes, you don't know. I will tell you. Okay, and every day you are eating biscuits. Do you like to eat biscuits? Do you know how do we prepare biscuits? By using cereals. Yes, children. So, why do we eat fruits? Why do we eat fruits? For getting energy. Yes, and also protect from lot of diseases. Yes, children. Do you like to eat carrot? Carrot is good for our eyes. Okay, and also, okay, what do your parents drink every in the morning? Coffee or tea? Do you know from where do we get coffee powder and tea powder? From coffee powder coming from seeds of the coffee. Yes, children. Tea powder coming from leaves of the tea. Yes, children. Do you like to eat sweets? How do we prepare sweets? By using jaggery and sugar. Do you know how do we get sugar and jaggery? From the plants. Okay, children. So, are plants useful for us? Definitely. Plants are very useful for us. In what way plants are useful? I will explain you. Okay. So, today the name of the lesson uses of plants, that is second chapter. Yes, children, first chapter completed. Our green friends, plants. First chapter completed. Second chapter we are going to learn second chapter, that is uses of plants. What is the name of second lesson? Uses of plants. Okay, we will discuss about these. How plants are uses for us. Useful for us. In what way they are useful for us. Okay. So see here, we get fruits, vegetables come from the plants. Okay, we are eating every day so many kinds of fruits. Apple, banana, okay, guava and grapes. Lot of fruits coming from the plants and trees. And also we get a lot of variety of vegetables come from the plants. Okay, brinjal, potato, tomato, chilies, lady's finger, cucumber. Lot of vegetables also come from the plants. Okay, we get fruits from the plants, we get vegetables from the plants. Okay, and also we also eat leaves of plants. Okay, such as you know well, coriander, kothimira, mint, pudina and spinach, palakura, lettuce and cabbage. We eat all these leaves of plants. Yes, children. So see here, I will show you. Okay, we eat leaves of some plants such as cabbage, spinach, lettuce, coriander and mint. And also we also eat roots of some plants. Some plants store food in the roots. Carrot, radish, beetroot, turnip. All these plants store food materials in the roots. So we also eat roots of plants. Okay na? So see what are they? Radish, carrot, beetroot and turnip. So we eat leaves of plants such as cabbage, spinach and lettuce. We also eat roots of plants such, and that means what? Some plants store food materials in their roots. What are they? Carrot, radish, beetroot, turnip. Is it clear? Right. Next, we also eat nuts. You know well, ground nuts. Okay, ground nuts. These are all the ground nuts. Okay, every day your mother preparing chutney by using ground nuts. These are all the ground nuts. Okay, children, these are all the ground nuts. Verusenagullu. These are also coming from the plants only. Okay, every day we are using chutney. Yes, children. Okay, your mother prepare chutney with the by using the ground nuts. Okay, these are also coming from the plants. Okay, ground nuts and walnut and cashew nut. Okay, what are the examples of nuts? This is the walnut. Inside, okay, these are all the cashew nut. Okay, these are all the cashew nut. Yes, this is the walnut and these are all the ground nuts. Ask your mother, request your mother to show all these. Okay, now what are the examples of nuts? N-U-T-S nuts. Groundnut, walnut and also almond and also cashew nut. These are all the examples of nuts. These are very useful for us. Very good for our health. These are edible seeds. Edible seeds means what? Which we can eat. Okay na? Inedible means which we cannot eat. Watermelon seeds, papaya seeds, okay, and mango seed, okay, and plum seed. All these we cannot eat, no children. Okay, pumpkin seeds, okay, all these we cannot eat. But what are the seeds which can we eat? Those are edible, means which can we eat. Okay, these are edible, very useful for our health. Every day you have to eat one fistful of all dry fruits. These are very good for our health, children. Okay, don't forget it, amma. Every day you have to eat one fistful of dry fruits. Dry fruits means, see, walnut, okay, almond, okay, pista, badam, okay, cashew nut, okay, and dry kismis. All these are all the dry fruits. Okay, anjeer, okay, don't forget it. Every day you have to eat one fistful of all dry fruits. They are very good for our health and they give us quick energy to your body for doing lot of work. So what are the examples of nuts? N-U-T-S nuts. Almond, okay, and walnut, cashew nut and groundnut. These are all the examples of nuts. These are very useful for our health and also they give us quick energy, okay, for doing lot of work. Don't forget it, children. Every day you have to eat one fistful of groundnuts also. Okay, and the next one, what are cereals? Look at the board, cereals. Cereals and means food grains. Every day we are eating rice. Okay, rice, wheat, jowar, maize. These are all the examples of cereals, amma. Cereals nothing but food grains. Every day we are using rice. Okay, every day we are eating rice 2 times daily, sometimes 3 times daily. Okay, na rice, annam. Okay, and wheat. Mummy prepare puri, chapati, biscuits by using wheat flour. Okay, children. So and so many items, gavvalu, okay na, and biscuits, okay, and also puri, chapati, pulka. All these prepare by using wheat flour. Okay na, and also our mothers also our parents also prepare chakralu, chakkalu, okay na, by using the rice flour. Okay, we are every day we are eating idli, dosa, okay na, dosa mix, idli mix also prepared with the help of cereals and pulses. Okay, cereals mainly food grains. Okay, children. So what are the examples of cereals? Rice, wheat, maize, jowar. Okay, so this is the maize. This is also an example of food grain, means cereals. Okay, now all these we get from the plants only. Maize also come from the plants. Rice also come from the plants. Wheat also come from the plant. Jowar. Okay, and bajra, sajjalu, jonnal also come from the plants. Okay, children, and pulses. Okay, what are the examples of pulses, amma? Peas, kidney bean, okay na, and black gram, Bengal gram, red gram. All these are all the examples of pulses. Okay na, pulses. Okay, see here, these are all the pea. Okay na, black gram. Your mother prepare idli and dosa by using pulses and cereals. Ask your mother, how do you prepare idli and dosa mix? Okay, will you ask ma? Will you ask your mother, how do you prepare dosa mix and idli mix? Okay, they are using rice and cereals and pulses ma by using cereals and pulses. For preparing dosa and idli, they are using cereals and pulses. Ask your mother, request your mother to show all these pulses and cereals. Already these are already present in the kitchen. Okay. And see, pulses example, peas, kidney bean, black gram, Bengal gram. Okay na, every day we are eating dal, pappu. Okay na, black gram, menapappu. Okay, Bengal gram. Okay, very useful for us. They are very good for our health. We get lot of energy by eating all these. Every day you have to eat one fistful of Bengal gram. They too very useful for us. They too rich in lot of proteins. You are growing children, no children. You are growing children. You need lot of proteins. Okay na. So Bengal gram, peas, kidney beans, all these are rich in proteins. Your body needs lot of proteins for good hair, for good skin, okay, and for good growth of your body. Okay, you need more protein rich food. Proteins also rich in pulses. Okay, don't forget it. Ask your mother, okay, to show pulses. You are the grown up children. You need lot of protein rich food. Proteins also rich in pulses. Don't forget it. Every day you are eating pulses ma. Okay, they are good for our health. They are rich in protein. Okay na, and for quick growth of body, for good growth of body, definitely you have to eat pulses. What is the next one? Spices. Spices for preparing biryani, for preparing chicken or mutton, your mother also using cloves. Okay, spices. Okay, and these are all the examples of spices, amma. Okay, these are all the cardamom. Okay na, these are all the examples of cardamom. Okay na, see these. Okay, these are all the spices, black pepper, cloves. Okay na, these are all the cardamom. These are all the examples of spices. By okay, they are using for preparing chicken or mutton or biryani. Your mother also using spices. Okay, why they are using the spices, amma? For extra taste and for extra smell. Okay na, they are using spices. Okay, they add flavor to our food. If they are using spices, they give us good smell. Okay na, and flavor. Okay na, some spices are ground in a mixture and used in a powder form. For example, turmeric also is used in a powder form. You know well, turmeric, posupu. Okay na, every day your mother using powder of turmeric in all curries. For preparing curries, your mother using spices, okay, and also turmeric powder. Okay na children, what we learned in this section, in this session, Okay, uses of plants. Plants are very useful for us, amma. We get lot of food from the plants. Okay, we get fresh air from the plants. We get fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, nuts. Okay, all these come from the plant. That's why plants are our green friends. Plants are our green friends. Okay, na? So all these we get from the plants. Okay, spices, pulses, cereals, nuts. Okay, and fruits, vegetables, all these we get from plants. So plants are very useful for us. That's why plants are called our green friends. Okay, children. Tomorrow we will discuss some more things, other uses of plants. Okay, children. Bye. Take care. Have a good day.